Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through how to classify your properties in ARGUS Enterprise to ensure they sync correctly and appear in ARGUS Intelligence, allowing you to take full advantage of its features. Before your models can be displayed in the platform, two things must happen. First, classifications must be applied, and second, property addresses must be verified. This video covers the first, classifications. Let's dive in. To properly set up your data, each property model in ARGUS Enterprise must be tagged with model type, period, and status, and optionally with model subtype. Let's go through the settings. Model type must use one of 5 predefined values: business planning, budget, acquisition, valuation, or what if. Model subtype. This is an optional and customizable classification. We encourage using the standard values such as internal, external, baseline, best case, and downside case. Period, the time frame for your model, which must be formatted as the 4-digit year and 2-digit month, separated by a dash or underscore. For example, if you are working on a first quarter valuation, you would enter the 4-digit year followed by 03. Status, which can be set to draft or approved, needs to be set to approved to sync with the platform. To create classification values for model subtype and period, from the File tab, go to Global Categories and then Manage Classifications. Select Model Subtype, then click on the New Value button and add the values you need. The model subtype classification is optional, and we recommend using the standard values already listed. For period classifications, you can build out new values as long as they're consistent with the approved formats. It's important to note that while model subtype is customizable for model type and status, only the standard approved values are supported. And for period, values must be in the approved format. Classifications can be applied in the Property tab by scrolling down in the General Information section and selecting the classifications that apply for that property. Don't forget to save before exiting. You can also apply classifications from the Asset Summary. Click on File and then Asset Summary. The Asset Summary section allows you to view and update the classifications across your property models. You can filter columns to find the blanks. We recommend only filtering one column at a time. To remove a filter, untick the box at the bottom left, or to completely start from scratch, click the X to the left of the filter formula. To edit the classifications for a single property model, select the row and click Edit Classifications. You can also right-click on the row or use the shortcut keys, Ctrl-M, to edit the classifications. Remember to save any changes you've made or click Cancel to close the window without saving. The Asset Summary allows bulk updates to classifications across property models. First, highlight multiple rows by holding down Control and selecting each property row you want to be included in the update. When editing multiple rows, ARGUS Enterprise will use the information from the active focus row, indicated with an arrow and a darker blue cell. Click Edit Classifications. The window will show how many property models you're editing the classifications for. Edit as you need and click OK to save any changes made. To use the Copy Classifications function, select a row that has the desired classifications and either click Copy Classifications in the ribbon, right-click, or use shortcut Control-Q. You can then select one or multiple property assets to be updated with those classifications. Select Paste Classifications in the ribbon, right-click, or use shortcut Control-T to paste. You'll need to confirm the classification changes, and then the selected property assets will update simultaneously. In order for property assets to sync into ARGUS Intelligence, they must have classifications applied and a verified property address. If you haven't already, we recommend watching the video, Verifying Addresses in ARGUS Enterprise. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your Altus Group customer service manager or support team for assistance.